Ayan mga lalabs, nandito kami ngayon sa greenhouse. Hello! So take a look here. So nice. Ganda-gandang flower. There's a lot of flowers here. Ayan. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful.
And then you throw in a pea where all of a sudden it's drained.
Di ba ang gaganda niya?
Yes.
May iba-iba. Oh.
Especially curriculum. Yes, right.
Kung makikita mo rin sa loob. Ayan, ganda. Ito, yung mga gumamila nila, ang lalaki. Oh. Nice flowers. Nice one. Look at what you want here. So nice.
I'm joking. Hey, listen. It's hard to tell the difference, actually.
A fern here. What you want? Still here some flowers. Hanging flowers. At tinatawag. See? Ganda. This one, ang cute nito, mga dwarf. Different colors, pero dwarf siya. Oh, take a look. May mga flowers din sila dito, ng mga dwarf siya. Cute. Take a look in this area. Paikot. Water plants. Oh, the water plants here. Pwede patang i-water plant. Different type. Nice hanging flowers here. Pag umikot naman, ito na makikita mo. Ayan. Gaganda siya. Ganda diba? Kala ko kanina parang palay lang siya. Ang cute naman. Oh, ito yun. Marami na tumitingin din. Kasi ang gaganda ng mga bulaklak ngayon. Oh, this is the hanging plants here. Here, so nakakatawa talagang tingnan mga bulaklak. Katang spring. Hindi ka mamili dito. Marami nang kumukuha, naghahanap kasi spring na. Talaga ang panahon na ng pamumulaklak. Ang ganda. Nakakatuwa. Talaga yung mga bulaklak dito is ito naman combination. Siyaw naman dito. Pink flowers. Take a look.
Sixth plan was in the Caribbean, down in
Hey, Maria, look.
Dito, pumunta ka dito. Ay, naku, puro bulaklak. Yan. Ito, familiar sa Pilipinas to. Ito, mga halaman na to. So, see? Nice one. Okay. Philippine plants naman to. Okay. Ito.
Why do you say that?
Ganda. Nakakatawa lang. Ito, mga Philippines na mga halaman. Normal lang. Mayroon pa rin dito. Yan. Aside from that, itong mga halaman naman ito. Gaganda ng bulaklak. Begonia yata to sa atin, pero iba-ibang bulaklak niya. Take a look. Begonia. Different type. Maganda, diba? Nice one.
from corpse, but they weren't. They were from
Begonia. You see? What a nice flowers.
Let's get this trouble because ours is dead almost. What is it?
It's really nice.
South window and it opens in the sun and closes in the.
Different types of begonia. Mga dwarf lang sila. That's so cute.
Mr. Carter.
Yes, that's white. Yeah. Dito naman yellow. Begonias.
Very nice.
Dwarf
I know
begonias.
it's not nice. But they're outside probably, right? Well, no, you can put them inside. All those are outside.
Oh my goodness.
It's
Ang
not
ganda.
light.
A nice flower over here. Ang lalaki, oh. Ang lalaki para ng begonia na bulaklak niya. Yeah. This is nice one. Others is here. Kung titingnan mo. Iba pa yung nakahangin dito. And may iba dito, oh. Ito sa Pilipinas to. Pero nakakatawa. Dwarf lang sila dito. Hindi dito. Ito ganda. What, anong halaman na to? This is jumbo box na. See? It's really nice one. Oh my goodness. Ito ibang klase naman to. Staffers naman siya. This is ito sa Pilipinas lang to, pero mga dwarf siya, oh. isang kamay ko na lang kalaki. Ayan. Dangkal-dangkal lang. And at this side, we have the cactus.
Yeah. I have the.
Different type of cactus naman dito.
Did you see this black that we need? Wow. I'm gonna get this one though.
Cacti.
Well, Alex,
Oh, ay, ang galing naman nito. Parang puro bunga niya lahat yung dahon niya. Nice one.
they already have tomatoes. This is baby tomatoes, and this is Roma. $17. If there's perennials outside, I'm gonna go
But I have a light that I put on.
Okay, it's just out. I don't know how to get out there, but I'm just gonna leave my car. Okay.
Cactus, yeah.
I'm gonna go outside and look at the perennials. Will they kill it?
Ito naman yung iba dito.
I bought a whole two packages of
Kasi niya snake plants.
oh
Yung mga
kitchen and they're grown.
normal. Ganda. Yung mga ganyan sila. Design, mga bulak. Also rin dito yung money tree. Yeah, or lucky plants. How many pieces? 7. Ang meron sa napinagsama-sama. Ito yung mga hanging plants. Nice one. Pag dito ka makikita mo, meron siya rin ditong gulay. Ano? Particular. O, tingnan ninyo yung tanim nila na kamatis. Oh, may mga bunga na. Oh. So cute. May mga bulaklak. Ayan. Kung bibili ka isang ganito, may gagapangan na siya. May mga bunga na rin siya. Oh. Mamimili ka lang. Ayan. So, ito medyo malaki-laki na yung mga bunga. Oh. Nasa ilalim. Ito pala, dapat may kamatis ka, may mga ganyan ka. May mga suporta. Ang lalaki ng dahon. So, lots of flowers here. Kamatis. Yeah. Ano naman to? Ito, mga kamatis din natin. Yun lang mga lalabs. Bye! See you in my next vlog. Thank you for watching.